Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And at first before we begin actually, yesterday when I was in my shoot, I just grabbed this from the local Best Buy because I wanted to have ND filters. And what happened was that I found it to be very hard to install these because I was too much worried about the construction of the Mavic Air. Now, I was literally uneducated and illiterate about that knowledge that this has a small thread on the top, and I thought that I'm actually taking out the glass. But what I did was I made a video out of it and I posted that in Reddit. And in Reddit, there is this guy called soapinmouth. I will give you the Reddit on that. That guy was amazing. He solved my problem. Instead of criticizing the video or anything, he just solved that problem. So big shout out to soapinmouth, and I'll post you the Reddit and the subreddit of that guy. That person is so amazing. He told me and explained me through all the process that you do not need to take the glass out, it's just the thread. So if you guys have not seen my video, this is how you unbox, and they give you a set of instruction. And my problem is that I always throw off the box. I don't go through all the box and everything. So out here also it says that unscrew the stock lens bezel, and this will sometimes require the help of a rubber band or added grip. So I'm going to show you how to install this properly. I'm planning to shoot today also just for fun. I don't do it commercially or anything. I don't make money out of it. I just shoot it for fun. Today is my day off, so I'm going to go outside and shoot. It's round about 1 o'clock right now in the afternoon, and for 1 o'clock in the afternoon I would select something like an ND8. ND8 I think will work way more better in the afternoon compared to ND4. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to try and install this on my Mavic Air. So when you go for your Mavic Air, you need to know that, let me tilt this out here, the bezel actually rotates counterclockwise. So you pinch the top part of the the gimbal. Let me try to focus, and then you try to unscrew this gently. So I was not able to hold this, and I was like, it's a lot of hassle and anything. So this is how it unscrews. Hold on a second. It's real time, guys. I'll not edit this or anything, but I'll show you the whole hassle. That it's not a big hassle. It's just a small unscrewing of the lens. So that's how the lens bezel is. Let me focus again. Lens bezel is out here, and you will see that it has no glass inside it. There is no glass inside it, and I was mistaken that there is glass inside it. So once you take this out, you just take this and you just pop this in. You have to be very careful with the thread. Make sure you do not overscrew this, because once you overscrew this, let me focus again. Once you overscrew this, you are going to destroy the thread. So make sure you're doing it very gently. Do not overscrew, you will destroy the thread. And I think it's done. So that's pretty much it, and that's how the camera looks with your ND. Why do you need an ND? Because on broad sunlight like today, you will require a lot of sun blocking, like kind of sun blocking, but I would say it actually helps you to keep your since these are not 1-inch sensors or it's not a DSLR, you need this ND filters to stop extra stop of light. And you can keep this safe. I actually will keep this in the case. So I'm really sorry, and I would say that it was my lack of knowledge, and I bear full responsibility that I posted on the channel that it was a big hassle. It is not. It was my lack of knowledge that I could not apply this to my Mavic Air. Just an unscrewing part, if you are not able to go through between these two grooves and hold this or pinch this, you can use other stuff, and you can use rubber bands or anything to unscrew this. So that's it, guys, and that's how it looks. That's how beautiful the Mavic Air now looks with the ND8 filter. And if you like this video, just give me a big thumbs up, like, and subscribe.